Understanding water storage tanks. A guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we aim to make English learning easy and fun for you. Today, we're diving into a very practical topic: water storage tanks. Whether you've come across this term in your studies, in daily conversation, or somewhere around your community, understanding what it means can be incredibly useful. So, let's explore together what water storage tanks are, their importance, and some interesting facts about them. Water storage tanks are large containers used for storing water. These tanks can be found in various sizes and materials, such as plastic, steel, or concrete. They serve multiple purposes, including supplying drinking water, irrigation for agriculture, fire suppression, and more. One key feature of water storage tanks is their ability to maintain a steady supply of water, even in times of scarcity. There are several types of water storage tanks, each designed for specific uses. Let's briefly look at a few. Overhead tanks. Typically found on the rooftops of houses or buildings, these tanks use gravity to supply water. Underground tanks. These are buried underground and are often used to collect rainwater or to store water in a cool, protected environment. Plastic tanks. Made from high-quality plastic. These are popular for their lightweight and rust-free properties. Steel tanks. Known for their durability, steel tanks are used in industrial and agricultural settings. Understanding the different types can help you identify them in your surroundings or in conversations. Why are water storage tanks so important? Here are a few reasons. Emergency preparedness. They provide a crucial water supply during emergencies, such as natural disasters. Water conservation. Tanks are key in rainwater harvesting, helping conserve water and reduce dependency on municipal supplies. Agricultural support. For farming communities, water tanks ensure that crops receive consistent irrigation, especially during dry seasons. Maintaining water storage tanks is essential for ensuring the water remains clean and safe to use. Regular cleaning, inspecting for leaks, and ensuring the water is treated, if necessary, are all important steps. Safety also involves protecting the tanks from contamination and ensuring they are securely installed. We hope this video has shed some light on the world of water storage tanks and their significance in our daily lives. From providing emergency water supplies to helping in agriculture and conserving water, these tanks play a crucial role in sustaining our communities. Remember, learning new terms not only expands your vocabulary but also your understanding of the world around you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful English language content. Stay curious, and keep learning.